Hello and welcome back. Today we are comparing two prominent business management tools, Honeybooks and QuickBooks. Let's have a look and see which one fits your needs. So, Honeybook is an all in one client and business management platform designed specifically for service based businesses such as freelancers and creative entrepreneurs. Now, it has features like project management, which allows you to streamline project workflows from inquiry to completion. Client communication allows you to centralize all client interactions for ease of access. Invoicing and payments, scheduling facilitates appointment setting and calendar management. The pros would definitely be the user interface because it is a very intuitive design tailored for non accountants. And it has integrated tools, so it combines multiple business functions into a single platform. The cons would then be that it has a bit of a lack of comprehensive accounting capabilities, which may require integration with dedicated accounting software. Now, QuickBooks is a robust accounting software solution widely used across various industries, focusing on financial management. Now, its features are accounting, which manages income, expenses, and tax preparation. Invoicing generates and tracks professional invoices. Expense tracking monitors business expenses and cash flow, and reporting provides detailed financial reports and insights. The pros would definitely be that it offers an extensive accounting functionality suitable for various business sizes, and as well as with Honeybooks, it also has some integration with numerous third party applications, enhancing its versatility. The cons would then be that it may require time to master, especially for users without an accounting background. So, in summary, Honeybooks is ideal for service based professionals seeking an integrated client and project management solution with basic financial tools. In contrast, QuickBooks is better suited for businesses requiring comprehensive accounting and financial reporting capabilities. Assess your specific business requirements to choose the platform that aligns best with your operational needs. Thank you guys for joining us. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful reviews just like this.